This is Igbo Area TV. Hello? Nigeria and the spirit of Biafra. Few weeks ago, the Nigerian army took delivery of 5 MFI-15 Safari trainer aircrafts from Pakistan. The MFI-15 were made by Saab of Sweden. If I tell you the story of MFI-15 aircraft, you will be in shock. On May 1969, the Biafran Air Force engineers, with the help of a Swedish mercenary called Carl Gustav von Rosen, converted Swedish-built Malmo MFI-9 civilian trainer aircrafts into what they called mini-coins, miniature counterinsurgency. They were popularly called Biafran babies, with capacity to carry significant loads of ordnance. The success of the Biafran babes evoked the interest of the original manufacturers. The first MFI-15 developed from the Biafran design had its first flight on the 26th of February 1971. That was how MFI-15, the aircraft that Nigeria imported from Pakistan a few weeks ago, was born. The Swedish-made CDK are assembled in Pakistan as the Mushak. The first and second pictures are Carl von Rosen about to take off with a Biafran baby. The third picture is the one MFI-15 Nigeria imported from Pakistan. The fourth picture shows the 5 MFI-9 of the Biafran Air Force at Ole, 1969, while the fifth picture is the MFI-15 Nigeria Air Force imported from Pakistan in 2018. It's amazing what Biafra made in 1969 under war conditions. Today, Nigeria is importing from Pakistan in a peacetime, 2018. God has really endowed Biafrans with great talents. Meanwhile, our channel is about promoting the Igbo race. We just shared to you how advanced the Biafrans had been. This material was provided by the Voice of Biafra. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.